Struggling with weak, droopy plants no matter what you do? The secret could be in the soil.
Today I'm going to show you how to make the best all-purpose potting mix at home.
Using just 5 simple ingredients that are easy to find and budget friendly. This mix is perfect for indoor and outdoor plants, vegetables, herbs, and flowers. And here is what you'll need. Garden soil, 4 cups. This is the base. It gives structure and minerals to the mix. Cocoa peat, 2 cups. Helps retain just the right amount of moisture so the roots don't dry out. Perlite, 2 cups. Lightweight and super helpful in preventing root rot by improving drainage. Cow dung manure or vermicompost, 1 cup. A natural fertilizer full of organic nutrients. Make sure it's well rotted. Neem cake powder, 1 cup. Works as a slow release fertilizer and protects from soil pests like fungus gnats and nematodes.
Now let's put it all together.
First, sieve the garden soil and cow dung manure to remove stones or clumps. Hydrate the cocoa peat if it's in block form. Now take a large tub or tray and mix 4 cups garden soil, 2 cups perlite, 2 cups cocoa peat, 1 cup cow dung manure or vermicompost, 1 cup neem cake powder. Mix everything well until the texture is even. The mix should feel loose, slightly damp and crumbly, not sticky or wet. Why this mix works? Let me quickly explain why this mix is so effective. It drains well because of perlite, so your plant roots never sit in water. It holds just enough moisture with cocoa peat to keep roots happy. Cow dung manure provides rich organic nutrients that slowly release over time. Neem cake acts as a natural pesticide and fertilizer, so you don't need chemical sprays. And the garden soil provides a strong foundation with real minerals and microbes. Where to use? Final tips. This all-purpose mix is perfect for money plants, snake plants, peace lilies, mint, tulsi, spinach, tomatoes, and more. Store extra mix in a sack or bucket. Just keep it a little moist and out of direct sun. Add compost or vermicompost every 3 to 4 weeks for extra nutrients. That's optional.
Hope you found this video useful. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips every week.